Hi everyone! So we're on a 7-day trip roaming around Cebu and Bohol.
Yeah, so join us as we explore the scenic spots here in Cebu and Bohol.
Yeah! Hi! Ayun yung whale shark! Ayan! Nakita naman yung whale shark! Hello! That's your bird? Oh, they're fighting. We're here sa Oslo registration area and it's 4:30 pero sobrang dami ng tao. Ayun. Ayan. Actually ito second tent na to, may first tent pa and then nagsiset up na sila ng third tent dahil sobrang dami ng tao. So hopefully makapag-register kami earlier and makasalang pa rin earlier. Hello! So now it's around 6 a.m. and you can see behind us there are lots of people already and we're just gonna wait for the boat.
Are we already going?
I think so. We're just waiting for the boat, man. Are you excited? Yeah, so we're now going there. Yeah?
Hi, today we are going to see Rosals and Betty Boo. Today we're just ready. We're just ready.
Are you excited to see the whale sharks?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, kami rin. We're excited to see the whale sharks. Oh, ang daming birds. Okay. Ang dami nila.
Bakit nagliliparan yung mga birds?
Nililiparan yung mga birds. We don't know why.
Ay, basta mga kanlaon?
Siguro.
Dami nila.
So, we're here at Oslo. We're also excited to see the whale sharks. Actually, looking forward kami dito. Yeah, medyo nakakakaba. Kinakabahan ka ba? No?
Not really.
Not really, but we're excited. So, join us now as we check out and swim with the whale sharks. Ready, Iris?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for those who want to rent fins, so merong renta ng fins dito on one side. So, it's just, this one is 150. So, just 150 so that you could swim better, no? And easier. So, yan. Yung mga kids, ayan, yung mga kids, nagsusukat na. Ayan, I'm gonna help them feed their fins pa. Yeah? Dito na kami sa boat. Ayan, so we just left the shore and pupunta na kami dun sa area na nagpipid sila ng whale shark. Ayan na, nakita na namin yung whale shark. There oh, it's so near, it's so close. Ayun yung whale shark. Ayan, nakita na namin yung whale shark. Hello! Hi! pabalik na kami sa shore. We're here. We enjoyed. Okay, so we're done with the whale shark watching. Ang ganda. Did you like it? Yeah, sobrang ganda niya, no? So,
Except where I swallowed lots of water.
Lalite swallowed lots of water. But did you see the whale shark? Yeah, and it's beautiful. Ang laki niya, super laki. Lumapit pa siya sa amin. But, ang ganda-ganda. Alright, we enjoyed. So, we're really looking forward to this one. Yeah, and gutom na si Iris, so we'll go there. Bye-bye!
Hi, today we saw the whale sharks. Today we saw the whale sharks. Today we saw the whale sharks and we're done with that.
We're done with that. What can you say about the experience?
They're small.
Huh?
Today,
You think they're small?
they're smaller than I expected. I thought they would be the size of 2 buses.
Two buses.
But it's actually the size of a minivan.
A minivan. What about you, Iris? Did you see it?
Yes, I did. They're actually the size of 50 irises.
50 irises. What can you say about the whale shark, Iris?
Today is nice and we're here today. Now we're traveling, so it's just, Mommy said it's just close.
Did you have fun with the whale shark?
Yes. And then
You saw it?
And then I just look at it. I didn't swim with it.
You just looked at it but you didn't swim with it. Why?
I just wanted to see it. The whale shark's mouth is always open, and then fishes just go inside of it, and there are fishes below it, and fishes are following the whale shark. The
Yeah.
whale shark is like a celebrity.
A celebrity.
And then, the whale shark packed me with its tail.
Ah, really? It did? You're not supposed to touch it.
It touched me.
It touched you.
Hello, so we have arrived sa port na papunta sa Panglao. So dito na kami waiting for the boat. Pero actually you can see there the boat, oh. Ayun, pero papunta doon, you have to ride the smaller one. Satid nila kayo doon. So pumunta na kami ng medyo maaga kasi medyo marami ng tao. Pero nakapag-book na kami yesterday. So sure naman na yung spot. So pumunta lang kami to be a little bit earlier. Right?
We are now in the different boat.
Yeah, in a different boats. We're now in a different boat, so this will take us from Oslo going to Panglao.
I hope this will be quicker.
Yeah, it's so bright outside as you can see. Actually, that's tarp. Alright? Okay, let's wait. So this is... Actually, it can carry lots of people, I think. Even 100? I think there are 100 here. Uh-huh. Few to be 100. But there are a lot, right? Okay, we're almost at Panglao. Can you see Panglao na? They're too happy, ah. Is it there? Oh, is that the one?
Going there, Bob.
Look at that. There are lots of constructions, probably hotels. Yeah? Okay, so we're nearby Panglao Island. How long did we travel, Kuya Len? I think around 1 hour. Actually 2 hours. So it's around 21 kilometers. And we're almost there. Yeah, it's a nice weather today. So the kids are enjoying the view. Say hi, Landslide and Tita Anje.
Hello.
Yeah?
There's a dock there.
That's what? The dock? Is that the dock? Is that the port already? Okay. Alright. We're here now in Panglao. Yeah, kakababa lang namin ng jetty. Jetty ba yan? Small boat. Yeah. And we're waiting for our luggage. So, waiting kami dito sa shore. And this is the start of our Bohol tour. Tomorrow. Rest
Yung
muna
Noche
kami.
Buena muna kami.
And yeah, today's 24, Noche Buena. We'll try to go to Mist kung kaya, kung onti yung tao. But then, we'll see. Sana onti yung tao. We'll try to go there earlier. Malamang maraming pila, no? But we'll try. Hi, Lalite! So, ito yung aming room. Ayan, i-rearrange na ni Mami. Kasi marami kami, we'll have to join the 2 beds together. And then, meron siyang TV, desk, and mini ref. Some cabinets. And then, we have here knock-knock. So, that's the bathroom. Okay, nice. What? Except for that thing. Ayan, pinagdikit na namin yung dalawang beds and the kids are happy. Yeah? And then going here is the balcony. So let's open it. When you open the balcony. Oh, nice. So there. This is the balcony and then you can see the garden. Nice. Lens and light, oh. Take care, Kuya Lens. Dico and Kuya are there. Bye-bye. See you. We will miss you. Okay, mag-try kami sumakay ng tuk-tuk. Yan, nakasakay na kami sa tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk. Hello! So, we're now here at Mist Restaurant. So, you can see nasa likod namin yung Mist. Nasa kaya rin papunta dito. So, we're here. We're excited to eat here. Sabi nila, highly recommended. Tama ba? Sana. So, inagahan namin para wala daw pila. Kasi minsan, kapag late na dinner time or lunch time, marami nang naka-line up. So, we'll see. And yung...
We'll try and see.
We'll try and see. And yung one thing pa, ang ganda daw ng loob. So, more than the food or plus the food, maganda rin daw yung design sa loob. So, we'll go inside, and probably if we can have a chance, we'll tour you around. Alright? Bye! Hello! So we're now inside Mist. So nakakuha na kami ng area. Unfortunately, puno ba sa taas?
Ano sa taas, yung air-conditioned room nila, 6 p.m. pa raw na.
6 p.m.
So, tapos yung mga tables nila, walang long enough to accommodate
15 people. Ang dami namin, or 15. So, hintay muna kami sa baba.
Order
Order.
namin yung air-conditioned room na mag-open
Okay.
ng 6 o'clock.
Because we went here too early. Not a little bit too early, pero
Very early. We're
Para-
here at 4:30.
para sulitin namin, order muna kami ng entree. Entree ba?
Sabi ni Kuya Ren Nakasera,
Entree.
served entree.
Serve entree. Kailangan entree. Pag hindi entree,
Hindi raw yung mabayaran pagka ano.
Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin.
If it's gonna be served entree.
Entree. Pero umikot na tayo sa loob. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda nung design niya. Napaka-rustic. Rustic ba? O hindi? Anong term doon? Nature inspired. Native inspired. Pero ang ganda niya.
Para siyang malaking treehouse.
Malaking treehouse for Instagrammable. Ang dami activities. So, may slide. Nakita mo yung net? Parang may net dito sa taas. Ayan pala. Andun yung net. Ayun, andun yung net sa taas. Tapos, ang daming stairs.
Yung mga duyan.
So, para talaga siyang treehouse na malaki, no? So, ang ganda.
May
So,
slide pa nga eh. May slide.
may slide, no? May slide. So, appearance-wise,
Mag-slide ako mamaya.
talaga. Alright. Design and appearance-wise, ang ganda. So, let's wait na lang sa food kung okay ba talaga. Alright? Wanna try?
Yeah.
It's delicious, ma. I'll go eat.
Yummy.
Yummy? Oh, eat some more. Sabi nila, ang sarap daw. Kanina pa nila nasabing masarap. So, I'm gonna taste it. Sarap nga. Sarap. Bato?
Ay, ano yan, para pang ano, ng ariso nila.
Para mukhang marami.
Para uminip.
May... Ano yung laman nun? Bato? Tusukin mo nga, matutusok.
Bato.
Ibalik niyo may bato yung ano nila, kanin nila.
Laki ng bato ng kanin. Basag yung ngipin mo pag yan yung nakagat mo sa kanin.
Bato para sa luro, mainit pa rin.
Ayan! So, we're able to get conference room ba to? Pero air-conditioned room, so pwede kami. Isolated kami kasi maingay daw. As you can see, puro bata. Pero we're all 15, pero yung room niya malaki. And maganda, air-conditioned, tas glass room siya, glass wall siya. So kitang-kita yung labas. Pwede kami mag-ingay ng todo.
May mag-Christmas party kayo, may mga pa-games kami.
Papa-games kami.
Sack race, pasta kalamansi, mga games.
Pwede na, mag-ready na yung mga kids. Food is here, they're serving all the food. We're gonna eat and celebrate our Noche Buena here at the Mist. kwan, social yung, ano ba to? Chocolate dessert.
Chocolate fantasy.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, meron siyang gold flakes. Gold flakes. Hindi gold flakes ata, let's try. Baka kaya ito mahal kasi kwan, they're gold flakes. Let's try.
Yan lasa.
Lasang papel? Walang lasa. Okay, we're gonna eat our dessert na. Nag-order kami ng different kinds of dessert, so we'll try it with the kids. Now we'll try the blueberry. And let's see kung masasarapan ba si Mami. Ano? Sarap? Sarap as in masarap na masarap, extraordinary, or masarap lang? Masarap lang. Okay. Purple oven pa rin. Parang purple oven. So masarap nga siya. Kasi gusto natin yung purple oven. Sarap.
Parang ice cream. Frozen siya, frozen.
Bawakan mo, kailangan mawakan.
Coconut cream. Coconut cream yung ano niya, itong pudding. Ginawang ice cream yung coconut cream. Ito mukhang chocolate to. Tapos ito, halo-halong butas. Chocolate po yung ano niya, parang shell.
Sarap?
Gaga.
Gata? Oh, i-crack nyo na. Oh, ano? Choco shell? Choco shell. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Race to 3 lang, ha? Oh, next round, next round. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. That's not included. Come on. One more. Kaya.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Give your money.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Pusa. Ha? Pass. Buka.
Pinch, pinch, pinch.
What used to be gold now turns to dust. What used to be gold turns to dust. What used to be gold.
Hello! Welcome! Hi! So we're now here at Alona Beach. So morning na. So this is Christmas morning. Walking around lang kami and then we're planning to have family pictorial here. As you can see, we're all wearing white. Para may theme kami. Naghanap lang kami ng magandang view. Yeah? Pero maganda yung beach dito. White sand din, no? Fine din. Fine. Parang Boracay. Mas kwan nga lang siguro. Mas for divers siguro ito. More than yung casual swimmers. Pero ganun din. Maganda pa rin. Ang daming boat. So malamang magda-dive tong mga to. Pero ang ganda ng sand. Ang puti. Really white. You like the sand here, Iris? Huh? It's white? Yeah?
I just want.
Do you want to build something?
You wanna build sandcastle?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so lalakad muna kami and then we'll look for some beautiful spot for some tutorial. Yeah? So we're eating here at Vivian Silog Express and Soon to Kill. Ay, Soon to Kill. Sugba Tuwak Kilaw. Ito yung kakainan namin for breakfast. So yung first stop namin ay Hinagdanan Cave. Ayun, may video. May tour guide kami. We're going down. So sana maganda na sa loob ng cave. So may pond daw siya. So pwede maligo. So susunod na kami sa aming tour guide. Nasa baba na siya. Yay! Excited! Alright!
Welcome to our cave, Hinagdanan Cave. Yan.
So hi everyone, so nandito na kami sa loob ng cave. So medyo maingay lang no, kasi yung tour guide super fan niya. Pero ang ganda ng loob as you can see. So So, meron siyang
Swimming area pala dito. Hindi kami prepared to swim.
may swimming area, tapos malaki siya, tapos may pool siya dun sa taas. Yun.
Huwag makinig sa audience man, 10% lang yan. Audience
So, ang ganda niya. So,
next couple.
pwede kang mag-dive pa ata. Hindi ata. Swim lang. So, feeling ko ang lamig ng tubig.
Okay.
Tapos parang buhay pa yung cave, no? Kasi basang-basa tumutulo pa yung sa mga stalactites.
Namamatay ba yung cave?
Meron, di ba, yung hindi na nag-grow yung mga
Bawal sa
stalactites
niba.
nila. So, mukhang ito, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-grow ng stalactites.
Okay, sir.
So, yan, ang ganda niya. So, nice.
Mainit lang.
Oo, kasi ang daming tao. Baka dahil maraming tao, no? Or baka may...
Wala ring air masyadong.
Oo, ano.
Stand by.
Pero yun, maganda. Hopefully naririnig nyo kami because a lot of people are here. But the view is beautiful and hopefully marami pang mga areas to take photos.
Maganda. Parang ang clear ng water. Very clear water. Kahit madilim, makita mo yung water.
Super clear ng water.
One last
Ayan,
kids
no?
up there.
Ito
Marami
yung bottom, no? Kahit ang dilim, ha?
Sir, hold that street, sir.
Photoshoot muna kami. Photoshoot yung
Wow.
tour guide.
Congratulations.
So hi, we're here at Baclayon Church. So this is our second stop. Actually, fun fact, yung Baclayon Church daw, this is the oldest church in the Philippines. No? So ang galing. Anyway,
Ito yung nabalitang nasira yung facade niya, yung sa may bell tower ba yun, yung lumindol.
7.2 yan, no? Sayang. Pero again, since this is
Na-rebuild na.
since this is sort of cradle of Christianity sa Pilipinas, dahil dito na pumunta yung mga Kastila, nag-establish ng church. So, yun, ito yung pinakaunang church na ginawa nila. Ang ganda. So, we'll roam around. Let's see ano yung lumang architecture ng church dito sa Philippines. Yeah? So, meron kaming binila ng mga bird seeds para daw dadapo yung mga animals. Wow, andito. Oh, Iris! Look at them. Hi, don't be scared. They are friendly. Look, they're not really moving. Yeah? Look at there, oh. Big one. Pwede daw i-touch. Let's try to touch. So, nakita ni Iris yung snake. Cute din ako. Don't be scared, they're friendly, Iris. Whoa! Touch it! Come on! Let's try to carry the snake.
Yeah, we'll just sit together.
Okay, we'll try. Come on, let's try it. Let's try. Afterward. Iris was scared pero na-try namin buhatin yung snake. And ang bigat niya, no?
Para siyang goma.
Oh, goma. Akala ko wet siya. And slippery pero para siyang goma. Though,
Cold and rumbling.
mabigat nga lang. Pero nice experience. I was able to hold the laki and heavy.
Yeah, and this is your favorite spot.
Oh, wow. Now we're here.
You love birds,
Oh, go.
yeah?
The seats are with Kuya Lens. Try them. Go, go. Come on. Wow. So, take it. Iris, try it too. Wow, Iris. Iris. Oh, with me as well. Wow, may bird na dumapo sa akin. Oh, dalawa.
Look, Iris! Ang langit pumunta.
Iris, look at
Ayan, oh, there are doves here. Ayun, wow. Huh? Oh, that's a... Ang daming dove. Dami nang dumadapo, but it's good. Wow, Iris! Wow! You like it, Iris? Wow, Iris! That's your bird? Oh, they're fighting. Is that your bird pet? Oh, ang dami nila. Oo, lagot ka, Bechan. Habulin ka na nila. Oh, monkeys. Oh, those are the monkeys, oh. Say hi to your brothers. Hi, monkey. Isn't that your favorite, Iris? Is it your favorite? There's an owl here. So we have an owl. That's Iris's favorite bird. It's an owl. It's still sleeping because it's still daytime, I guess. So that's the owl. Wow. Yeah. Alright. So after nung pigeon feeding, I guess yung takeaway namin doon ay marami kaming scratches. Can I see your hand? Whoa. Oh wow, what happened there, Lalite? Look at Lalite's hand.
Yeah.
Lots of scratches.
Wear long sleeves when you're going
So
here.
maybe that's a tip for everyone. Wear long sleeves. Look at yours. Can I see?
There's nothing.
Ah, okay. We're now going to board our boat. So boat 18 kami. We're gonna try the Lubok River Cruise. Sana masarap yung food kasi 1 PM na, ang daming tao sa loob. But it's a buffet. We'll try to optimize sulitin ang buffet. So we're heading to our gate, boarding gate. Okay. Ang ganda nung pathway. Walk path. Yeah, so we're going there. So we're lining up para sa aming buffet food. Are you ready? Ready na? Magpakataba ka, Julie, ha? Sayang naman yung food natin.
Nakakailo ko.
Eat all you can, ha? O may susuka sa ilog, no? Alright. And we're able to get food na for Iris. You like the what's that? Pakuan. You like your watermelon, Iris? Yeah, so we're able to manage to get food with Iris. And umaandar na rin yung lubok. So we're gonna eat and enjoy our meal. riding a boat, as you can see there. Oh, we're gonna stop over and see those people dancing. I think they have a presentation for us. Yeah? You wanna see their presentation? No, why? I think that's interesting. Oh, they're dancing and they're playing guitars. What else are they doing? They're singing in chorus, right? Yeah? Okay, so ngayon we're done watching yung group that shows yung traditional Filipino folk dance tsaka singing. So si Rachel pala ay may special talent. So nakidance siya with those tinikling, no? Di ba mahirap?
Naubos yung kinain ko, nagutom ako ulit.
So kain kami ulit kasi si Rachel nagdance ng tinikling. You liked it ba? Galing, nice experience, no? Okay, next time ako dadance. What do you wanna dance too? Yeah, next time kami ni Kuya Let's magda-dance. Alright! Yeah, so we just visited the man-made forest. So ang haba pala niya, no? And sabi ni Kuya, ayan si Kuya Driver. Anong pangalan ulit, Kuya?
Sorry.
Sabi ni Kuya Chari, yung man-made forest daw tinanim around 1960s, no? So ngayon sobrang lago na ng mga puno. And
Puno ng mahogany ito, sir.
puno siya ng mahogany, madami, no? Puno ng mahogany. And marami nagpapapicture sa gitna ng kalsada, kasama na kami. Kaso buwis buhay kasi ang daming dumadaan na sasakyan, pero naka-picture naman kami as a group. So yun, ang ganda niya, ang dami. Nice. Hi, we're here at the Tarsier Conservation Center. So, kwan daw, tarsiers are really small, tas nocturnal sila. So, bawal daw dito yung flash photography. And then, bawal magingay. So, medyo tahimik lang ako. Quiet lang tayo and then, subukan natin maghanap ng tarsier. Yeah? Maliit lang daw sila. I don't know how small they are, pero sabi na maliit daw talaga. Okay.
Parang daga.
Oh, siguro. Come on. Huli yung tarsier.
Na-witness namin paano niyang tigilan yung antok niya.
So sleepy, tarsier, so sleepy. Kaya ang ganda ng bahay, ginawa ba yun ng tao o sa gumawa?
Hindi ko alam.
Pero tao, no? Pero,
Meron siya.
oo. Tapos yung may bahay kubo. Alright, let's check out the
Iwanan namin ng
others.
grupo.
Oo, sige. Ganun. Wow! Scary. Were you able to see the tarsier? Yeah? That one you have is bigger. That one is way bigger than that tarsier.
like that.
Yeah?
allowed here.
It's okay inside because you're too noisy daw. It looks like you. Looks like that one. It's a tire shear. Yeah, it's so cute.
You want a nice photo of my tire shear?
Tire shear. Tire shear. So we're done with the tire shear. Picture lang kami and we saw the tire shears. Liit nga talaga nila.
Naligising pa lang.
Bawal wag magingay kasi nagigising talaga sila. Kumbaga parang gumagawa sila ng, they're making shelters for the tire shears and then along the path and then tinuturo na lang ng mga guide kung asan yung mga tire shears. Kasi nakita ko yung other one, sabi niya tumalon na daw tapos sinarado niya na yung path. So I guess wala na makikita doon. So binabantayan ng mga guide.
If they're not in the man-made shelter na ginawa nila, yung mga makeshift ka na.
Hindi mo
Hirap sila makita.
Oo, no, kasi ang liit lang.
Oh, they're too tiny.
Okay, come on. And so we're at the souvenir shop. Welcome vlog! So we're here at the souvenir shop. Another souvenir shop for us. Ang dami. Wow! You like that? Oh, go. Wear it na. So papunta na kami sa Chocolate Hills kaso bumuhos yung ulan. Hopefully by the time we arrive there nagbuhos na yung ulan daw kasi I'm hoping na I could fly drone there at hindi lang pag yung makita namin pero we're feeling positive, no? Lumiliwanag na. Let's see sana kaya. So, we're going up there. Mataas siya. 220 steps. Wow, tumatakbo ka pa talaga. So, we're climbing up the Chocolate Hills viewing deck. Mataas siya. They say it's 220 steps. Pero good thing meron na rin siyang steps. Pero, galing oh. Nakikita na yung view sa likod. Hi, Mommy, Daddy. Maganda.
Ganda dyan. Ikagala mo.
We're now on top of Chocolate Hills. Ayan yung viewing deck. It's so windy here. Pero ang ganda. It's so beautiful. Kitang-kita mo, no? Actually, sabi nila, may nabasa ako, legend has it na two giants fighting daw to. And then they're throwing muds. Big muds. And then,
yung nabasa namin, pupo daw to.
ay, pupo ba? Sabi doon, eventually, when they made peace, na-remain yung mud. Or siguro sa legend mo, after niya, Naiwan yung pupu. Yeah, there was poop here. They said it's a giant poop.
What do you mean? Look,
Yeah,
the giant,
but it's beautiful. Ang ganda
no, the
niya.
giant's fighting it in there, picking up pieces of the land and then putting it.
Oh, that's the legend, no? Ay, ang ganda daw. May nagsabi, ang ganda. Wow, kiss mo.
Hello?
Mwah! Alright. Hi everyone! So today is our last day here in Panglao Beach and enjoy na ng mga kids. Enjoy na ng mga kids yung yan, yung white sand and magstay lang kami and chill. So it's early morning pa, so maganda mag-walk around the beach. Yeah. Enjoy! Oora muna ang aking napakagandang wife. You know.
The world turns gray with stars.
Cyrus? So after ng paghuhukay, Mommy's tired. So after maligo ng mga chikiting sa dagat, we're gonna eat. Kumakain kami. Eating here sa beachfront for our breakfast. Yeah, this is our last day and then later punta na kami, ready na kami para punta sa Tagbilaran and babalik na kaming Cebu for our flight. Hello, so we're now here at Tagbilaran Seaport. So we're just waiting for our ferry. So we're now going to Cebu and this is our last day in Bohol, and then pagdating sa Cebu, we're going to the airport, going back to Manila. Hello, so we're now inside the jetty ocean liner. It's a jetty going to Cebu, so it's our location here.
They have TV.
Oh, they have TV. Yeah, and it's cold here, right? The aircon season.
They even have business class upstairs.
Ah, nice. They have That's great. You feel comfortable?
I wonder if they have swimming pool or restaurant.
This is just a small line. You feel comfortable?